So this is your dashboard, it's your home base, and this is where everything lives once you start building. I want you to just look around here for a second before we do anything. Nothing on this screen can break anything. You can click around here, explore, and nothing bad will happen. So don't worry about that. Right in the middle here, where is where your automations are going to show up. It's an empty right now. That's completely expected. We have not built anything yet. But once you start creating automation, they will appear here with their names, whether you're currently active and sub quick actions. This is where you manage everything. Up at the top, you see the stat cards, what's total workflow, how many are active, failure rates, time saved. These updates automatically as you use Mevro. Right now, they all are zero, which make sense. Once you have got automation running, these will start filling in. Over on the left is your navigation sidebar. At the top, we got an overview. That's where we are right now, the main home screen. Below are the credentials. This is where you're going to store your credentials for your apps. Like if you're going to use some Reddit app or LinkedIn app or kind of an database apps, so you can store the credentials over here in this section. You don't need to touch this yet. We'll come back it later. And there is an insight section, that's your analytics showing up how your automations are performing over time. And down at the bottom there is a community section. Those are there whenever you need them, but we are not going to go into those right now. Now up here at the top right, this is the button we care about, the create workflow. This is what you click to start building an automation. We are not going to click it just yet. That's what in the next video you're going to see. And right now, if you see, these are the two options. One is AI assistant, another one is manual builder. AI assistant, where you can just give a prompt or just tell it details about your workflow, which workflow you want to going to create. So but AI will going to create the workflow for you. And but in the next video we are going to use the manual builder so you can really understand how it works. So just a recap which we discussed in the previous video and the last video is the landing page gives you an overview of what Mavro is and what it can do. Sign up takes 30 seconds. After that, you land here on the dashboard. This is where all of your automation will live. Just four things to remember going forward. First is trigger, the events that start an automation. Second, steps, the action that happens because of that trigger. Third, the run, when you execute the automation and see results. And fourth, settings, where you configure each step. So let me repeat: trigger, step, run, and settings. We'll come back to that every video, so don't worry if it's doesn't fully click yet. In the next video, we are going to build our first automation, just one trigger, one action, so you can actually see how all of this connect.